try this bitch. Hello?
Hello.
Bitch, do you see this Twitter shit?
Girl, yes, I seen shit on Twitter. Hot motherfucking mess hoe. T-rash bag hoes.
What you about to put on, girl?
Bitch, I think I'm finna wear a blazer tonight.
Let me wear your leggings. The black ones.
Bitch, I need a motherfucking dress for the club. Who
Bitch,
got
I
one?
only got that one I wore last week.
I
Bitch,
will wear the dress.
Bitch, okay.
Let me wear the
you
dress.
get the dress, bitch. I'ma get the bangles, hoe. Bangles.
Okay,
bitch.
what color? I got bangles. What color you want?
Blue.
All right.
Cause I'm wearing blue shirt, blue bangles, blue shoes, bitch. I'm finna be swagged out.
Bitch.
Hello.
Before 10 o'clock, fuck
Cause
you,
we got to get in
Tell me
free.
what time is it?
Girl, what? Girl,
Hey.
it's 7:30. We need to
Bitch,
hurry up and get dressed. We need to hurry up.
Bitch, hurry up. I'm trying
Hold
to get in free.
on. What about this shirt? So what about this? What about this?
Girl, that look good, girl. I like that.
I got some red bangles.
Wear your red bangles though, cause this don't match. You know. And when you ask somebody in a DM, do it come to their phone?